What are the ideal EV charging infrastructure components for multifamily and commercial buildings? Several power management companies offer a range of solutions that help building owners to effectively install and manage EV charging stations while addressing EV customers' growing demand for reliable and efficient charging stations. Integrated assembly solutions are available as EV panel boards and switchboards, based on the number of chargers required by the builder owners. A standard panel board can integrate up to 10 EV chargers, providing a single space-saving and factory-assembled solution. However, an EV panel board integrated into a distribution switchboard permits up to 18 EV chargers and gives the option to add adjacent, integrated equipment such as an upstream transformer. This consolidates the traditionally separate electrical distribution and control equipment, resulting in a significant reduction in installation time, space, and a 20% lower installation cost of EV panel boards when compared to a comparable wall mount charger installation. Key benefits offered by the integrated panel board solution are: first, improved security for the hardware as EV chargers are installed within the panel board, ensuring that they can be secure while being located remotely. Second, ease of maintenance for service personnel as it enables the replacement of the circuit breaker. Third, incorporate various safety features such as overcurrent protection, ground fault detection, and thermal management to ensure safe charging operation. EV chargers are often integrated with smart charging mechanism, which provides the following benefits. Provides real-time energy insights and integration with on-site renewables and energy storage systems. Optimizes charging times, which enables property managers and owners to effectively manage the load. Allows owners to monetize the installation by accepting payments. Offers differentiated pricing based on driver categories. Safe, reliable, and intelligent EV charging services that will help building owners and customers save time, effort, and cost. Learn more at eaton.com/EV-chargers, eaton.com/CNM, eaton.com/IFS.